Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to record slow motion or slow-mo video in your Infinix smartphone. I will tell you step by step how you can make it. So if you want to slow your video in any video you want, so I will tell you. So first you have to open your camera, open your more feature, and you will see here it is slow motion feature. Now you have to capture anything in very slow motion, like I am just moving my camera like this. You can see that in a slowly and continue way direction. And now let's see in this slow motion video how it looks like. So you can see friends, I have started the video. So you can see how slow it becomes when you just start this capturing. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.